Hello guys, we are back with our next tutorial. In this tutorial, let's see all about triac guys. So I hope everyone is familiar with this word. So basically triac is nothing but triode for alternating current. So I think I didn't write it here. So it is a triode for alternating current. So you need to remember these full forms guys. Those are really important. So if you observe the first word triode, so these three words are covered right there, and AACC. So this word, if you observe clearly, triode, we have diode, right? So it is an updated version of diode, that is triode. Diode will be having two terminals, whereas triode will be having three terminals guys. That's the ultimate difference between these two. Okay, so now let us go through this. So basically triode is nothing. I wrote in the first point that, but I didn't observe it. Okay, that's fine. So triode for alternating current. Okay guys, so now I hope everyone is now 100% clear with the full form. So it is just an updated version or an advanced version of diode, that is triode. Okay, so in the previous tutorial we have gone through SCR, right? SCR is a unidirectional device guys, where triac is a bidirectional device in which both forward and backward direction is possible. So it is a triac, right? So placing one PN diode with another PN diode. So if you want that, how we can draw this really easily. So just basically draw two lines. So first make in this way PN diode and in the opposite way PN diode. That's it, it's done guys. So this will be our first terminal MT1 and this will be our second terminal MT2 and this will be our gate. Okay guys, so now I hope everyone got 100% clear idea on the diagram. So it is a three terminal device with bidirectional, and it is a bidirectional device. I hope everyone got a small idea on this. So further moving on, its equivalent circuit is back-to-back SCR connection guys. So you may ask me that how did I draw this? Yeah, is that your doubt? Okay, let's do it right now guys. So I hope everyone knows the circuit diagram CR. Okay, so it is nothing but the connection of back-to-back, right? So I'll be first drawing the one in forward and the other in reverse. So basically this will be my first one with the gate. Okay, and this will be my second one with the gate. Okay, so we'll be connecting them back to back so that this is how they are connected. Okay, so these two will be my MT1, so these two will be my MT2, and these two combinedly give us the gate. That's it guys, that's what I have just drawn here. But I have okay, that if you want that, this is not a connecting line guys. If you draw it like this, you may think that it's a connecting line, so you draw like this so that it will clearly say you that it's not a connecting wire. Okay, so that's how I have just got this diagram guys. So I hope everyone is now 100% clear with it. So further moving on, if MT1 is positive with respect to MT2, so that means MT1 is positive and MT2 is negative. So I have just assumed that this is the diode T1 and this is the diode T2. So positive with positive, this is positive, right? So positive with positive gives me a forward bias, and negative with negative gives T1 a forward bias. And when we come to T2, it is in the opposite direction, right? Positive with negative and negative with positive. Hence it's going to be a reverse bias. Further moving on, similarly apply MT2 positive and MT1 negative. So you can write a simple statement guys. MT2 is positive with respect to MT1, which indirectly states that MT1 is negative. Okay, so in that situation, T1 will be reverse and T2 will be forward. Okay guys, so now I hope everyone got a small idea on this. So basically this is a easy concept guys. So now let us go through the characteristic or VI characteristics graph. So basically initially this is a friend or something of a something of SCR, right? So these all belongs to a diode, right? So basically diode will be having a term called cutting voltage, right? Okay, so now give me a second so that I'll be just drawing it for you. This graph is really easy guys. Okay, so basically this will be our VI characteristics. So basically in the initial case, here we are having back to back. Remember, if there are back to back or something like that, you will be having the same graph of forward bias in negative bias also. Remember that guys, that you can just make a note or a point. So basically I think everyone knows that for a particular diode, we will be having a cutting voltage guys. For example, let us assume for silicon it is 0.7 volts. Like that we'll be having for these things also. So basically if up to cutting voltage we'll be having a very minute amount of current guys. Okay, so it didn't yet reach the cutting voltage. So in the similar way we'll be having in the reverse bias also. So at this point it reached the cutting voltage. So from now on I'll be having a rapid increase in the current. So as voltage here it is, so if I increase further it is going to increase, and even if I decrease it's going to increase guys. So after that I increase or decrease, the voltage will be constant. Okay, similarly here also it moves up, it comes back and it's going to increase. Okay guys, so now I hope everyone is now 100% clear with it. So basically it depends on gate guys. If you just do with the minimum amount of gate current, that is nothing but Ig. If you give a minimum supply, this will be the situation. If you increase it a bit, you're gonna get like this. If you further increase it, it will be like this. If you further increase it, it's going to be like this at a situation. Okay, similarly you can draw for this also guys. Okay, so we'll be assuming this as Ig1, Ig2, Ig3, Ig4, Ig5. So if you consider Ig5 is less than, Ig4 less than, Ig3 less than, Ig2 less than, Ig1, like that. Similarly in this case also. So here I have just took 3 guys so that it will be a bit neat and clear. So if you want you can go through the notes guys so that it will be clear for you. So basically the applications of this is nothing but lamp control. Okay, and it is also used in fans which are right above us. I think on everyone's head they are. Okay, so basically for AC phase control also, and chopper, helicopter guys, that's what chopper means. Okay, so now I hope everyone is now 100% clear with triac. Okay, so in the next tutorial we'll be going through triac. Thanks for watching.